Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Now, today is an interesting one, so you probably see by the title of the video. Thankfully, HR Owen invited me to the Anthony Joshua Heavyweight Championship of the World fight. I am a boxing fan, but I've never actually been to a boxing match, so thankful to HR Owen Lamborghini for inviting me. Now, as you can see behind, there's a few cars. My Aventador S, Yanni's new wrap car, which I'll take a closer look at in a second, and then HR Owen's demo. Round there is a blue Aventador S as well. I believe we've got about 6, 7, maybe 8 cars, all V12 Aventador S's, so that is going to be fun. We've got a long drive. It's about 2 hours or so to Cardiff, where we will be leaving the cars, a little bit of hospitality, and I'll try and get as much as I can for the video, and then go across to the stadium, and I think we've got a box as well. So very lucky, very privileged, really looking forward to it. So enough of me, let's look at the cars a little bit more in close, and we'll try and get some startup stuff, try and get a GoPro in as well in the car, as much as I can possibly do, because obviously I'm driving and I've got my cousin who's going to be sitting next to me, so you maybe see him in a bit. But yeah, let's take a closer look at the cars. Carbon wing there as well, which looks really good. Carbon there as well, much more spec than me. Carbon there, carbon wing mirrors, carbon front, everything. So that is looking really good. So you guys know I've ordered 2 Ferraris, but you might not know what one of the other one is. You'll know one is, but there's a nice little Ferrari there behind. So this is HR Owen's, we're gonna get blocked by a Discovery, but this is HR Owen's demo of the 812, which is amazing. Great spec. The question is, am I getting one? Maybe not, I don't know, but this is special. You can't actually get them. There's about 4 years worth of production, all gone. It's because it drives amazing, I hear, and it looks ridiculous as well. Okay, enough Ferrari, because it's all about Lamborghini. I'm gonna try and cross the road without dying, quickly. And we have HR Owen's demo here, which is, I don't know the name of this kind of whitish grey, but I think it looks amazing. And of course, it's got gold wheels as well. As you can see, HR Owen, carbon everywhere, exterior pack on the rear diffuser here as well. Not there on the side, but down there as well, and around the front. So this is looking pretty good. And this is Yanni's car, which is wrapped in what I call a Hexis turquoise chrome, and then this is pretty cool on it. So he's got a Nero Designs kit. If anybody's got an Aventador, I should probably put this on it, to be honest. You guys should tell me, should I put this on the car or not? Should I add a Nero Design kit to the Aventador? Mine's obviously there, I'll show you in a second, but look at this with the white pinstripes as well, it looks amazing. Literally like mirrored, as you can see. Looking amazing, with Nero wheels as well. Check that out. Check out their front splitter. Look at that. And then of course here is my humble car, just looking a bit kind of normal compared to all these other ones, but yeah, you guys know I love this thing. I think a lot of people think that I have actually sold this for when I took the Performante, but as you can see it's still here, and as you'll know by the end of the video I have the Performante as well. So looking forward to getting them together and hopefully trying to compare. If you guys want to see a video of me comparing the Performante and the Aventador S, then let me know. But it is freezing outside here, and hopefully the rain stops. I've got a little bit of a sore throat, so I'm gonna go and get a cup of tea. So, Lamborghini have just given me the tickets. I haven't opened it yet, so I don't know what's inside, but I'll open it when I'm sitting inside the car before we leave. But it looks like some pretty cool passes. Yeah, we're going to the Cardiff City Stadium first, and then from there, doing transfer to the place as well, so we can leave the cars, and it's not too crazy. But yeah, I need to go and grab that tea, and then let's go. Okay, it's time to head off now. A couple of things, SV has joined us, she's over there, we'll get that on more of the drive. And this special man, the car is a very special 488 Spider. Red carbon, and more red carbon. Yeah, really nice. I'm blocking the street now with Rolls Royces. Okay, time to head off. We're gonna stop at the services on the way, which is in about 40 minutes. We'll get the cars from the outside as well, maybe a little bit of revving, but check this out. Okay, let's go. Okay, first fuel stop. Cars are behind, Yanni's is there. So we've got 2 Aventador S's, well 3 behind there. A 4th one around.
I'm a YouTuber! My name's Anish, I'm a YouTuber. How's everyone?
I don't even know who Yanni is.
So we're going to the boxing, me and Anish, and 5 Aventadors, 1 SV, 4 Aventador S's. We don't all have an Aventador S and a Performante like this man. Anyway, see you later, bye.
So SV is there for you guys who haven't seen it. The SV is over there, it looks really good. Check that out. And then the blue one is there, and the cars are behind. So first stop for some fuel, then we're on our way again. Okay, we have reached Cardiff City Football Stadium. There it is in the back, and all the cars are here lined up, SV and all the Aventador S's. So it is looking good, and I think we have a bit of time before the fight, so they've set up something here for us to have, which is great because I'm starving. A lot of people are going to ask, how was the drive? It was about 2.5, 3 hours, and honestly the Aventador is not the easiest car to drive, but for drama and noise and everything it's the best. Kind of wish I'd taken the Performante there, would have been a little bit of a standout, but it's cool. It's nice to have all the cars on the V12s. So there they are, get some close-up shots, but I'm hungry, so I'm going to eat some food, then we'll head to the stadium. Okay, so we stopped off at, obviously, Cardiff City Football Stadium and went into the chairman's suite and then out onto the pitch. So this is pretty cool. Been in a few football stadiums, but it's very weird to be in one when it's actually empty. So it's amazing. I think this is about 32,000 seater. So you've got the chairman's suite, which is like here, and then up there you got some of the boxes and stuff. But look at this. Check that out. Okay, food has been eaten. I've done damage as always, and now I think head to the Principality Stadium where the fight's going to be, and then dinner is going to be there as well. You know I love my food. Anyway, quick plug as well, one off. If anybody knows, of course it launched, but sold out in like 7 minutes. So make sure you guys click the link in the bio because you'll see about when the next drop is. Time to go eat some food. Here with HR and Lamborghini at the suite, which is number 80, and this is what it looks like inside. Finally they turn the lights on. Check that out. So, food and stuff over here, and then walking out towards the box, which is at the front here, and they got loads of like rugby. This is a rugby stadium, so there's that stuff there. TV up there. Yanni in the way.
Sorry, from Mexico.
So guys, that's it. It was a long drive back, so just quickly signing off. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. It was a good fun, long drive, long drive, so super tired. It's about 3 AM right now, so I'm gonna sleep. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please remember to like, subscribe, and of course do all the other bits, and make sure you leave a comment. What do you think was the best car today? The best car? I think probably the SV for me. And do you think Joshua deserved to win the fight? I don't think so. I think Parker put up a really good fight, so maybe it should have been a draw. Anyway, see you guys on the next video. Bye.